UCSC Refunds. Get money faster with direct deposit. In this video, you will learn how to set up direct deposit in MyUCSC, and we'll give you some direct deposit do's and don'ts. There are 3 ways to receive a refund from your UCSC account: a mailed check, a credit card refund, or direct deposit. Check refunds can take several weeks to reach you in the mail, and even longer if we have the wrong address in MyUCSC. This may cause you to feel stressed if you need your refund to pay your bills. Refunded credit card payments are sent back to the credit card minus the convenience fee charged when you made the payment. With direct deposit, refunds are electronically deposited into your checking or savings account, usually within a few days after your UCSC bill is paid. It's a good idea to sign up for direct deposit just in case UCSC ever owes you money, and especially if you are receiving financial aid. To sign up for direct deposit, you'll need the account number of your savings or checking account and the 9-digit routing and transit number of your bank or credit union. You can get these numbers from your banking app or online account, or from a check if you have one. When you're ready to sign up, log into MyUCSC, tap the My Account tile, and select Sign Up for Direct Deposit from the sidebar. Enter the routing number in the top box, then enter your account number in the next box. Choose the type of account you have, savings or checking. Read all the information on the page, it's important, then check the box next to where it says I understand and agree. Scroll to the bottom, tap Save, and you're done. Here are some tips to help you set up direct deposit correctly so you can get your money fast. First, sign up with your own savings or checking account, not one that belongs to an adult at home or a friend. The account should have you as the primary account holder and use your Social Security number or ITIN. Don't use numbers from a refund check you've already received, and don't use a debit or credit card number during setup, and no credit union member numbers either, or you won't get your refund. Do double check your account and routing numbers before you tap Save. Do reach out to SBS or SlugSense if you don't get a refund you think you should have received. Do log into MyUCSC every week to check for refunds in the My Account tile. Just tap Account Activity to see if your refund has been processed. And finally, don't fall for email phishing scams. UCSC will never send you an email asking for your login information, birthday, or other confidential information. If you have questions about direct deposit setup or about what we've covered in this video, contact Student Business Services or the SlugSense Financial Wellness Program. See the video comments for links to our websites, contact information, office hours, and informational resources.